Welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over how to find the derivative of tangent x. And we're going to do this by first rewriting tangent as sine x over cosine x. So then the derivative with respect to x of tangent of x is equal to the derivative with respect to x of sine x over cosine x. Now we're using the quotient rule. So we want the derivative with respect to x of sine x times cosine x minus sine x times the derivative with respect to x of cosine of x, and this whole thing divided by cosine squared x. Okay, so first let's evaluate the derivative of sine x. Those of you in my calculus course should have just seen this in a previous example. So the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And we're going to multiply that to cosine x, subtract sine x, and then we want the derivative with respect to x of cosine x. It's going to be right here. Well, that's equal to negative sine x. And then this entire quantity we're dividing by cosine squared x. So what does this become? This is cosine squared x plus sine squared x divided by cosine squared x. Now, this numerator here should look very familiar. Recall that cosine squared of an angle plus sine squared of that same value is equal to 1. Simply equal to 1 over cosine squared x. And then, of course, also recall that 1 over cosine of x is equal to secant x. That tells me that this entire quantity is just secant squared x. And let's summarize this. The derivative with respect to x of tangent x, well, that's equal to secant squared x.